To get sleeve-splitting arms like Vin Diesel or Mark Wahlberg, you're gonna have to trash your triceps, blast your biceps, and make your forearms pop. In short, you need to work your arms to exhaustion. But as a beginner working with next to no muscle and little strength, you're gonna need to start with the basics. Here, we've outlined 4 basic tried and true arms exercises to help you safely and effectively pack on muscle, courtesy of Nyo Okafor, PT, creator of FitMatch. Want to look better in your t-shirt? Or shirtless? Work through these moves and put these moves to work by trying Okafor's Ultimate Arms Workout for beginners. Directions. If you're adding these to your own arms workout, complete 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps of each of these moves. Except the forearms finishers, palms up wrist curl over a bench and palms down wrist curl over a bench, they'll get 3 sets of 20 reps. Want more options when you grow stronger? Try our ultimate 10-minute arms workout, these 6 unconventional arms exercises to crush strength plateaus and develop new muscle, and the workout to add definition to your arms. Number 1. Hammer curl. What it works. Biceps. How to do it. Stand tall with a dumbbell in each hand. Let your arms hang so they're fully extended, elbows tucked in, palms facing your sides. Keeping your upper arms still, curl the dumbbells up at the same time, only your forearms should move. Contract your biceps, pause, then lower and repeat. Number 2. Standing cable biceps curl. What it works. Biceps. How to do it. Attach a straight cable curl bar to the cable machine and position the pulley low, near the floor. Stand facing the machine. Grab the bar or handle with your palms facing up, elbows close to your sides. Curl the cable and contract your biceps. Lower under control and repeat. Number 3. Triceps rope pushdown. What it works. Triceps. How to do it. Fix a rope attachment to the cable machine. Position the pulley high. Grab either rope end with a neutral grip so your palms face one another. Face the machine and lean in a bit. Extend your elbows, pushing the rope down and away from your body. Make sure you don't move your shoulders, isolate your triceps with this move. Number 4. Bench dips. What it works. Triceps. How to do it. Stand facing away from a bench. Place your palms on its edge, arms extended, and step your feet out. For the easiest position, bend your knees and plant your feet. For a greater challenge, extend your legs full so only your heels are in contact with the floor. Lower your torso by bending your elbows until the angle between your forearm and upper arm is just shy of 90 degrees. Don't flare your elbows out. Then, engage your triceps to push your torso upright again. Expert tip. When you grow stronger, you can straighten your legs and place your heels on top of another flat bench in front of you. This shifts more of your weight to your arms, making the exercise more challenging. You can also have a partner put weight plates on top of your lap. Make sure your partner is experienced and the weights stay in place throughout the movement, Okafor says. If you liked the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trusted Center.